20 got out there in 1906, called field sobriety.
What's your name?
Lou Retton.
I know who you are.
I'm West Virginia's first daughter.
Yo, your driver's license from Texas?
And this dude's gonna arrest her. They think I'm drunk.
She's refusing to blow.
Put it back on.
I'm gonna take your oxygen. I'll die.
I'm gonna run you through some field sobriety tests, okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know, but we have to. Let's walk over here to this line, okay?
All right.
You should be pretty good at this, huh?
Yeah. I mean, upside down.
Yeah? Alright. So, what I want you to do is put your feet together, hands down to your side for me, okay? I want you to stay in that position. Do you have any head or back injuries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, God.
Anything that would prevent you from driving? Metal all over?
All over.
Okay. What I want you to do is, using your eyes, I want you to watch my finger, okay? Don't move your head, just follow with your eyes, alright? Do me a favor, don't move your head, okay? Keep your head right there. Do me a favor, keep your head in the middle, just follow with your eyes.
I see it.
You see it? Okay. This is just a test, you just keep following it.
See it.
Okay.
Look at your beautiful blue eyes.
Oh, well, thank
Sorry.
you. It's okay. And then, same thing, alright, but we're going to go up and down this time, okay? Just using your eyes, follow my finger.
I mean, this is ridiculous.
Okay. This next test, okay, it's called the walk and turn test,
Yeah.
alright?
No, I can do this.
So, we're going to use this straight line right here, okay, and I'm going to explain it to you and demonstrate for you. If you need your oxygen, you can carry it. I'm not going to make you take it off.
10 pounds.
Well, okay, so here's what we're going to do, alright? You're going to take your right foot, put it in front of your left on that line. You're going to take 9 consecutive heel-to-toe steps, and it's going to look like this. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9 while counting out loud and looking down at your foot. When you get to 9, you're going to take a series of small steps, and you're going to turn around, okay? Then you're going to take 9 consecutive heel-to-toe steps back. While doing that, I want you to keep your hands down to your side. I want you to not jump, don't step off the line. It's going to be heel to toe. Touch your heel to your toe, okay? And I want you to count out loud. I know. Okay, well, let's heel to toe, okay?
1, 2,
Keep your hands down to your side.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Listen, I know, but we got to go through the steps. So here's another test, okay? It's called the one-leg stand test, all right? If you want to get some oxygen or something first real quick, I don't know if you know.
Yeah, no, I need it.
Okay, go ahead and get some oxygen real quick. Go ahead and put your feet together for me, hands down to your side, using either foot, okay? It doesn't matter. You're gonna let me explain it first. I want you to take your either foot, okay? You're going to lift it up and you're going to count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so forth until I tell you to stop, okay? It's going to be about approximately 6 inches off the ground, all right? You're going to look, I don't need any higher, approximately 6 inches. Hold on, wait till I begin. I tell you to begin. You're going to look down at your foot and you're going to count out loud while doing that. Don't hop around and don't lift your arms for balance, okay? You may begin whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God.
Keep trying.
5, 6, 7.
Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop.
Oh, come on.
Keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I didn't say, I said 1001, 1002 till you stop. No. Do you need oxygen first?
Maybe.
Okay, get some of your oxygen real quick.
I mean, seriously.
Yes, ma'am. Seriously. Miss Retton, do you have your driver's license on you anywhere?
No, I've got a passport.
You don't even have a license?
No, it's in Texas.
Yo, your driver's license from Texas?
Yeah.
Keep going till I tell you to stop. Count out loud for me.
9 seconds? Come on.
I didn't say 9 seconds. I said till I stop.
Dude, please.
Actually, was a driver's license that expired in 2015.
No, it's not.
Okay, well, we'll figure that out in a second. I mean, this is the last time I'm going to have you restart the test, okay?
Oh my God.
Yep, you're going to count out loud until I tell you to stop, okay? You may begin whenever you're ready.
No, I can't do it.
You can't do it?
Maybe later, Shad. No, I can't do it.
Okay, that's fine.
236, what
Come on. I just came to get my nails done.
Okay.
Don't go back in the driver's seat.
No,
Nope.
I don't want that.
I'm going to go ahead and shut your door, okay?
it's fine. No, I'm not going to blow. They say don't blow.
Well, you're required to blow or else that's an additional charge.
Whatever.
I'm just letting you know.
Whatever.
You refusing to blow?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys are crazy.
She's refusing to blow.
You gonna refuse?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How's the field sobriety?
She failed all of it.
What?
You failed all your field sobriety, ma'am.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Barrel
Oh my
210,
God, I did not. I did not.
If you blow all zeros, you know, we can do something else, but...
Would you want to get your blood taken?
Why?
Because if you refuse to blow, I have to get a search warrant and do a blood draw.
Regardless, you're going to be arrested for suspicion of DUI.
Yep.
Secondly, we're going to go to...
I'm gonna go to jail?
I didn't say that. I said we have to get a sample of your breath either on station, and if you refuse there, we have to get a search warrant for your blood. It's up to you.
Oh
Regardless,
my
you're going to
God.
get arrested for a DUI.
No, I'm not.
Unfortunately, that's the case.
All right. Go ahead and put your hands around your back for me.
No.
Yep.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Yep,
Miss
you're
Miss
under
Wright,
arrest.
Miss Wright, take a deep breath. This is not.
No, I'm not.
No, don't be hitting. Come on, this will be fine. This
Oh my God.
No.
No.
Miss Retton, please don't.
Oh my God.
Do you have any reason that your hands can't be behind your back?
Never. Yeah. I
What?
got
What's that?
8 surgeries on my shoulders.
Okay, put her in front.
Okay.
Then.
Thank you.
Like I said, we'll work with you if you're cooperating.
Okay, let go of your hand.
Are you kidding me?
I
No.
have no choice, Miss Retton. That's
And
our
I'm
job.
in West Virginia.
I know.
No, you don't know. Oh my God.
Alright.
Gia.
It's...
They think I'm drunk.
Are you?
No.
She just came from getting her nails.
Exactly. No.
You're coming with me. Please don't make this any harder.
Oh my. In Fairmont,
Yes,
West Virginia.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Go ahead and have a seat for me.
Wow.
Watch your head.
No.
Okay.
Back on it.
When we get inside, I will take the cuffs off you. Okay?
Thank you.
Yep. Okay.
Unbelievable. Can you call the sheriff?
All right. Go ahead and have a seat right there for me.
No, call Jimmy Riffle.
He's not the sheriff anymore.
He's not.
Nope.
Can you call him?
Maybe later. I'm going to take you out of your
Later.
cuffs, okay? I'm going to take you out of your cuffs.
Thank you.
Do you want them to check your oxygen since it's running out?
Yeah.
How do we need to... How do,
236,
You're okay.
I need my purse.
it is in my cruiser still, okay?
Is it? Can I have it?
Not right this second until I have to let them look at you first, and then I
Oh
can...
my God.
Fire's still on scene at station. They're gonna check this female's oxygen for me real quick while they're here.
One more time. So yeah, they're a little diminished. Do you want to go to
Yeah.
the hospital?
No. No.
You sure? What are you gonna do when your machine dies?
It's already died.
Do you want to use our oxygen for a little bit, see if it makes you feel better?
No. No. I'll die yourself.
Well, you don't want that.
Oh. Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Ooh.
Your machine's dead, so how about you go up to the hospital and
No.
get some
Fuck that.
oxygen?
Put me in the cell. I'm like so lightheaded. Am I in Texas?
Barrel 220.
I'm just blowing
Why don't you use some of their oxygen then? I have nothing to do with them. You cannot like me, but you can. They're.
No, I really don't.
I I want you to get oxygen so that you're okay.
No. I'm not taking your oxygen. I'll die here. No. I don't want to see you.
Why do you want to die here?
I decline.
You decline?
Okay, well, you got to answer the questions.
I decline.
It doesn't matter. You still have to answer the questions.
What's your name?
What?
Why do you want to die?
Because.
Okay, well, then you have to go to the hospital then because you're...
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Because you said you wanted to die.
Oh.
If you make
I don't
suicidal
wanna
remarks,
die.
you go to the hospital.
What?
If you make suicidal remarks,
Yep.
you gotta go to the hospital.
No.
What's your name?
Mary Lou.
Mary Lou.
Yeah.
Is that your first and last name?
No.
What's your last name?
Red.
I find that hard to believe.
No, it is.
It is.
Yep.
Okay.
So you're way too young.
I get that a lot.
What are you doing here?
I don't know. Out loud. I was
Would you like some oxygen?
psychosis. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I was
We're going to start this.
psychosis in my car and they thought I was wrong.
Here. You managed to get it on?
Thank
That's
you.
true, that's pneumonia. Try to relax. No. Try to relax. I know.
I mean, really?
Yeah.
Fairmont, West Virginia. For arrested me.
Well,
Seriously?
Unfortunately, yeah. I still have to do my job.
Oh, dude. You'll go down in history. No, he will.
yeah. You're going to make sure he gets down in history?
He will.
Okay. I can't leave you sit here getting hypoxic. That's why you're hallucinating and not making sense. Yeah, now because you have the oxygen.
Mm-hmm.
That's
I'm
why you're
good.
That's
Now.
no, we can't leave you here.
We
But we can't leave you with this.
Oh, come on, you guys.
We can't.
Whatever.
Nope.
I'm good.
Put it back on.
Put it back on, please.
I'm good.
You gotta have
Your
your
brain
oxygen.
has to have oxygen to think
No,
and
I
to do
know.
things.
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why I'm crazy.
It is.
I never said you were crazy.
That
No, I know you did. You said I was drunk.
You wouldn't take our tests so I could confirm. I told you if you take the breath test, we can figure it
No,
out.
but they say don't do that. I've
And
never.
and this is where you're at now because
I've
you failed all our
never
other
done that.
tests. You're still refusing to take the test?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Because it's you.
She refused this test twice, so it sounds like we're going to the hospital anyways.
No.
So
Only because it's you.
So if another officer came in and offered you to take the test, you'd do it?
Maybe.
All right. Honey, you understand that you're going to go to the hospital and they're going to draw your blood.
They're gonna get the test either way.
It's either way.
It's just whether you let them do it or not.
Yep.
I'll go with you.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
My 1015's been medically cleared. I'll be en route to magistrate.
It's like a reality show. When do I get my purse and phone?
It's right here, up front with me.
When do I get it?
As soon as you get arraigned, and if your family posts your bond, you'll get it.
Oh, seriously?
Yep.
They have to post a bond?
Well, that's up to the magistrate. He'll tell them how much they have to post, or
Oh my God. You're going all out, aren't you?
I'm doing my job, ma'am.
Oh, dude, you have no idea. You have no idea. You arrested her. Oh. Wow. You'll be gone. God, I wish I could take a picture of it. I really do.
Of what?
Of my handcuffs. Because in my book, people will not believe Olympic champion in handcuffs. I mean, West Virginia's first daughter, and this dude's gonna arrest her. Oh my God. Dude,
by the magistrate. We still got to fingerprint you, but you can go home after that if they release you, okay? Jimmy.
Riffle.
He's been out of the office for a
Oh,
while.
come on.
I told her that.
All right. Go ahead and follow this officer.
All right.
All right. Need help?
You got it?
Yeah.
Can you hold it?
You gotta walk with me.
I will walk with you.
Ah! This is gonna be good with the book.
With the bug?
The book.
Oh, the book?
The book.
Are you writing a book?
Yeah.
I don't want to be mentioned by name.
Well, this stick. I mean,
Oh, he's not
come
a dick.
on. No, he is.
Better be careful. You won't catch more charges.
Careful.
Come on, let's get inside. I know who you are.
I know. I know you know who I am.
Yeah.
Come on.
I gotta do my job no matter who you are.
Oh my God. It's West Virginia's first daughter.
I know.
We got to go fingerprint you, and then your family's out front to be
Hello.
released. Yeah.
Yeah, that's part of it.
Okay, come on.
Really?
I'm
Yes,
afraid
ma'am.
Wow. Wow.